Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hawkins County, east central Granger County, Hamilton County, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Morristown, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morristown, Bean Station, White Pine, Russellville, Bulls Gap, Mooresburg, St. Clair, Leland, and Treadway. This includes Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 8 and 17. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.